Are you looking for a good electric bicycle to buy in the year 2022? With electric bike technology advancing at a rapid pace, you can now find an e-bike that offers great value and performance at reasonable price. To help you choose an electric bike that really suits your need, I made a list of 5 best electric bikes you can buy this year.
If you could design your own e-bike, how would you do it? Would it be classy, sexy, or perhaps a bold new design that's elegant yet functional? Want to know more? Introducing Reevo, the Hubless e-bike. You'll be turning heads. Your ride. Reevo is now ready for mass production. We need your help to achieve our minimum order quantities and deliver Reevo into your hands. This is everything you need in an e-bike. This is 5 years of development, hard work and love in a single elegant package that we're proud to introduce to you today. This is Reevo.
Introducing Luup-X, the all-terrain, high-end carbon fiber frame fat tire e-bike built just for you. This is the first fat tire e-bike of its kind, built to custom fit your size, riding experience and terrain. Luup-X is designed to fit any rider no matter the height or size, which means anyone can configure it to their needs. With a frame made from very strong yet also very lightweight material, Luup-X is lighter than most fat tire e-bikes ever made. Designed with range, power and speed, our bikes are made to get you there quickly, reliably and without interruption. In a rush to get to your destination? Don't worry, we got you. Climb any steep hill you come across with ease and comfort in a blink of an eye. Its high-end specs and amazing speed pedelec makes Luup-X the perfect e-bike, engineered for the road, mountains, urban traffic and snowy days, terrains in which balance, braking power, grip and visibility are vital. Every Luup-X is water resistant and equipped with proper features to withstand even the heaviest snow, which makes it your perfect companion for winter holidays. And the most fun part? You can always go the distance with our beautifully designed battery system by charging it just once a day. All bikes are designed and created by our experienced and award-winning engineers, so you don't just get a bike, you get dependable and world-class engineering at its finest. So when you ask what sets Luup-X apart from the rest, the answer is performance, comfort and utility. You will go further, faster and with more comfort than anyone else on the road. We didn't just build you a seasonal bike. We built you a high-end, quality e-bike to enjoy all year round.
The PRECEDE On is commuting with style. The PRECEDE On is built to fulfill all your mobility needs.
It has lights, mud guards, a rack, a bike stand. You can carry luggage. You have the possibility of good navigation on the bike and still looking damn beautiful. A very special thing is the iconic silhouette. You can recognize it from very far away as a Canyon bike. The most important part on this bike is the cockpit, where everything is integrated, looks really straight and cool.
It's the next step of integration and bicycle design.
The future is here. Imagine the possibilities with the world's first chainless electric bicycle. HONBIKE. 4 top design awards on 3 continents. Patented Shaftdrive system. 40,000 plus kilometers maintenance free. While a chain drive system might fall off, rust, and get disgusting grease everywhere, HONBIKE has none of these problems. With built-in gyroscope, HONBIKE continuously monitors the terrain and provides automatic power assistance and protects you when making turns. Boosted with electric power and proprietary control system, HONBIKE gives you an easy and joyful riding experience. Easily and quickly folds within 15 seconds. Removable battery design. You can charge it anywhere as long as there's an outlet. HONBIKE fits any lifestyle and gets you wherever you want to be before the competition. Easy and safe. No chain, no fuss. HONBIKE.